Welcome to this. In this session, we will discuss about frequency spectrum of the AM wave and bandwidth of AM. In previous video, we discussed about theory of AM as well as mathematical representation of AM wave and what is meant by modulation index. That will be discussed in previous video. Now let us start frequency spectrum of AM wave. Now for spectrum of AM wave or frequency spectrum is nothing but the graph of amplitude on x-axis versus frequency on y-axis. It gives the information about the frequency components present in AM wave along with their amplitudes. Okay. Now consider the equation of AM wave that will be derived in previous lecture. So this EAM is equal to, that is the equation for AM wave or amplitude modulated wave. So EAM is equal to EC, that is the peak amplitude of occasion, plus EM cos of omega mt multiplied by cos of omega ct. So that is the equation for amplitude modulated wave. Now that is equal to, or we can write this same equation by taking common EC from this bracket. So therefore EC into 1 plus. So if we take the EC is common, so 1 plus EM divided by EC cos of omega mt into cos of omega ct. So you will getting this equation. But we have defined the modulation index, that is M is equal to. We know that modulation index is equal to peak amplitude of modulating signal divided by peak amplitude of carrier signal. So EM divided by EC. So if we substitute this M is equal to EM divided by EC in that equation, so EM is equal to EC 1 plus M cos of omega mt into cos of omega ct. Okay. Now you will getting this equation. So EM is equal to EC 1 plus M into cos of omega mt into cos of omega ct. Now on simplification, we get EAM is equal to EC cos of omega ct plus M EC cos of omega mt into cos of omega ct. If we multiply by this EC and cos omega ct to this bracket, so you will getting this equation. EAM is equal to EC cos of omega ct plus MEC cos of omega mt and cos of omega ct. Now using the geometrical identity, cos A into cos B is equal to cos of A plus B divided by 2 plus cos A minus B divided by 2. So if we consider this term, that is cos omega mt into cos omega ct as a cos A and cos B. So the equation gets simplified as if we applying this geometrical identity. So EAM is equal to, this term is as it is, EC cos of omega ct plus MEC divided by 2. So this equation MEC divided by 2 cos of omega c plus omega m into t plus MEC divided by 2 cos of omega c minus omega m into t. So if we consider this term is A and this term is B, so you will getting this simplified equation. So EM is equal to EC cos of omega CT plus MEC divided by 2 cos of omega C plus omega M into T plus MEC divided by 2 cos of omega C minus omega M into T. So that is the equation for frequency spectrum. Now we can observation is taking from that equation. So we draw the figure for frequency spectrum of AM wave. So this is the amplitude as well as this is the frequency as we earlier said. So this frequency versus this amplitude, you will getting a frequency spectrum of AM wave. So there are different frequency term. So this middle term is the carrier is with amplitude EC and frequency is FC. Then upper sideband with frequency FC plus FM and amplitude is MEC divided by 2, that is called as a upper sideband, and as well as you will getting a lower sideband, that is the amplitude MEC divided by 2 and frequencies LSB, so FC minus FM. So we getting this equation, that is EAM is equal to EC cos of omega CT MEC divided by 2 cos of omega C plus omega M into T plus MEC divided by 2. Now the expression for the AM wave consists of 3 terms. This is first term, second term and third term. So we can write down the observation. So first term is nothing but the unmodulated carrier. This is this term, that is EC cos of omega CT, is related to the unmodulated carrier with a frequency omega C is the angular frequency and FC is the linear frequency and peak amplitude is EC. So this term is related with that unmodulated carrier. Now the second term is a sinusoidal signal at frequency FC plus FM. So this term or this sideband is related with the upper sideband. So it is called upper sideband and its amplitude is MEC. This is the amplitude MEC divided by 2 and this is the frequency, that is FC plus FM. Okay. Now third term is related to sinusoidal signal at frequency FC minus FM and it is called lower sideband and its amplitude is same, that is MEC divided by 2. Okay. Now the amplitude of LSB and USB is MEC divided by 2, that is the same amplitude. It is directly proportional to modulation index. But the amplitude of carrier signal EC does not depend upon modulation index. That is not depends on the modulation index. Only this amplitude of the upper sideband as well as lower sideband, that will be depends on the modulation index. So it indicates that only sideband contains the information to be conveyed from transmitter to receiver. The carrier does not contain the information. To recover the transmitted information, it is essential to recover the sideband at the receiver without any distortion. That means our information will be contained in the lower sideband and upper sideband. It is not contained on the carrier signal or carrier term. So essentially we can recover as it is that upper sideband and lower sideband. So there is no distortion is occur and we can convey the information as it is from this source to destination. So that is the requirement for the amplitude modulation. Okay. So this is the frequency spectrum for the amplitude modulated wave. Now we can discuss about the bandwidth of AM signal. The bandwidth of AM signal is given by the subtraction of the highest and lowest frequency component in the frequency spectrum. So we see that this is the frequency spectrum, and the highest frequency is related with the upper sideband, and it is FC plus FM. Okay, and lower frequency is lower sideband frequency, that is FC minus FM. So if we take the difference between that two, that is the highest frequency as well as lowest frequency component, so we will getting a bandwidth. So that is the difference between higher frequency or upper sideband frequency minus lower sideband frequency. So bandwidth is equal to F USB minus F LSB is equal to FC plus FM is the upper sideband frequency minus FC minus FM. So that is the bandwidth. So bandwidth is equal to twice of FM. So you will getting if we subtract this term, so FC get cancel and FM plus FM, so you will getting twice FM is the bandwidth in case of amplitude modulated signal. Now next in next video we will see the how to calculate the modulation index by using the amplitude modulated signal or waveform, amplitude modulated waveform. How we can calculate the modulation index, that will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching this video.